Hi there guys, I'm Joel, I create games, and today I'm going to work on remembering events. So this is something that I wanted to do before, but unfortunately it took me a long time to do the other things, and I started to realize that I'd bitten off way more than I could chew. I'm starting to get used to the code again because I was gone for a little while, but that's what I'm going to do today. So a good example of this is the goblin here. If I were to get caught by this goblin and something were to happen, the event would happen, I'd come back here, and the goblin wouldn't be there anymore. However, if I were to then enter a city and then come back out again, the goblin reappears, and it causes the exact same event to happen again. So what I want to do is basically have a system that remembers that that event has happened, and before the goblin would spawn, it would check to see if the event has taken place, and that means that I need to have a list of events that have taken place, and I need to pass that around through each scene, basically, um, as a sort of don't destroy and load, just constantly being there. And it will also be part of the like saving and loading of the game as well. This will sort of prevent repetition in the game. This will make me be able to create much more things and then create sort of a progression throughout the game, as perhaps there are easier events at the start and harder events closer to the end. So we'll see what I can do, and yeah, I hope to get this done today, and yeah, I'll see you soon. All right. Okay, so I've done what I wanted to do, and actually I did a little bit more as well. When events happen, it gets saved in this game data class here. And basically it takes an ID from the event, and then the event with the same ID can never happen again on the call. So all the other events have the same ID in like the event chain, but it goes here. So if I go to an event, the event ID for leave is 0, right? So no other ID will have the same number, and then when it gets called, it gets added to this happened event here. Also, I made it so that if I just change scene here, city scene, when you go into the keep, so an event will happen here. I'm just going to run away. There's the duty button here, so I can click on this duty button and events will happen from that are sort of quest-like events. So if I click on this, first of all, I'm going to lower my player's constitution. I can click on this duty here, and an event will happen. You know, oh, would you like to be a guard? You know, you could do some guard duty. Sounds good to me. And then it's time to guard. It's going to roll. Based on my constitution, I'm not very good at guarding. And then you can enter the fight scene from the city. So I've done that too. So I'm quite happy with that. The only problem is after this fight, if I were to have this fight, you will see that, well, actually also, first of all, I need to change the player's health, otherwise I very well might die in this fight. You'll see that I actually don't go back into the city. I go outside of the city. And actually, if I started this game when I was in the overworld, it would spawn me over where I went into the city, where I entered. But right now, it's probably going to spawn me at 000 in the middle. Time to go. So it spawned me there, but it would have spawned me there if I had started this game here. So I'm debating whether or not I should have it kick you out of the city and then you have to go back in, and it will add an additional week and stuff like that. I don't know. So it's quite interesting how that sort of happened. You know, something that I didn't want to happen, but then when I saw it, I thought, oh, actually, now it's week 1. Now time's moved forward, and it's like a decision that I've made to do the quest, to do the fight. But then again, if the fight doesn't happen, the week doesn't go forward. So I don't know. I don't know what to do there. But anyway, that's what I've done. I hope you found that interesting, and yeah, I'll see you soon. Okay, bye.